Good morning, all of my net friends. I would like to show you a nature of beauty. Very wonderful, nice thing. This event, or when I was back from my work, so you can see there is a red layer and yellow shining and darkness. Under the darkness, because the sun is not yet to come our surface of our mother earth, so there's still darkness, and also there is many vehicles and cars rushing. I am also rushing to house because I must to sleep. I miss my warm bed. At the last night I work in the full night. So now for me it's a good night, and all of you is good morning. The thing says good morning and good night, because you can see this. It's possible like this in evening and morning, because when sun is go like this and when the sun is coming. So this thing both of us regarding. Okay, anyway, thank you very much to watching the video, and thank you all of you.